Summertime is a great time to focus on specific projects around the house. Here are some maintenance things that you can take care of this summer. Check your grout. During the summer, when there's a lot more natural light coming into the house, it's a good time to check the grout in your kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere else you may have ceramic tile. If there's anything that needs to be repaired or replaced, this is a good time to get that taken care of. It'll prolong the life of your tile floors and make them look better as well. Take care of insects. When the temperature warms up, this is the time that the insects come out and go crazy. If your house is anything like mine, you've probably got ants, spiders, and all kinds of other things that you need to take care of. This is a good point of the year to go ahead and call any kind of exterminator, get a contract going, and make sure they're coming out to take care of all your pest problems. Decks and patios. While you're working outside, this is a good time to check out your patios and see if there's any cracks that need to be sealed up or if there's any power washing that needs to be done to make the concrete look as good as possible. In addition, you can go ahead and check out your decks to make sure there's no wood rot or anything that's occurred over the winter and go ahead and make any repairs that are necessary. Clean your window wells. If you've got a basement, this is a good time of the year where you can go clean out all the window wells around the perimeter of your home. During the winter, you're going to get leaves and other kind of things, sometimes even trash or animals that may have fallen in there at some point in time. Go around the property and make sure that everything is cleaned out. It's going to do two things. First, it's going to make sure that everything looks better, and second, it's going to make sure that there's no possibility of additional leaks that could come in from debris holding moisture against those windows. Clean exhaust vents. Summertime is a good time that you can go out and take off the louvered cover on all of your exhaust vents or dryer vents around the home. Especially with a dryer vent, you want to make sure that you're cleaning that out a couple times a year because lint can collect and becomes a big fire hazard because it is extremely flammable. But it's also good to make sure that all of your other exhaust vents are clear as well because it'll help them run more efficiently and make sure that they're operating at a longer period of time. Clean your garage. Summertime is a wonderful time of year to clean out your garage because you can leave the door open all day and go ahead and remove all the items that you have stored in there to dust it out or blow it out and make sure everything is as clean as possible. It's also a good time to go through all the stuff that you have hidden in there to make sure that there's nothing that you need to get rid of. I often think of summertime as the best time to purge junk in my garage, and you should too. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. I'll be sure to post a link to the article in the description down below. If you don't mind, like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.